Standard 6 Subject English 2. Chapter 5 Verb, Kinds of Verb. Five verb, kinds of verbs. Now, so what is verb? Verb is actioning word. Look at the picture and read the sentence given below. The baby sleeps peacefully in its cot. Sleep क्या वो verb, actioning word है, okay? It is too cold to swim today. See, is also a verb, student. Is, are, was, were, has, have, ये सारे भी verb है, auxiliary verb बोलते हैं. Sorry mama, I forgot to close the tap. Forgot is a verb. Look Rahul, I have a new watch. Have is verb. The injured lion roared loudly. Roared, actioning word, so verb. Hello Arun, how are you? The are is verb. All the colored words are verbs. This shows the particular action of people and animals. Note how each underlying word is doing a different job in sentence. It is a doing verb. It shows an action what baby is doing. For example, fly, swim, break, dance, fly, sing. Second sentence. It is being verb. Shows that people and things exist and what they are. And, is, are, was, were, is, being, be. ये सारे भी verbs हैं, being verbs. Forgot. It is thinking verb. It shows how people process ideas, think, believe, remember, imagine. Have. It is an having verb. It shows that people have or possess. Possess means ownership. Okay. For example, this is my pencil. तो ये ownership वर्ड, ये pencil my है. तो वैसे ही having verb जो है वो possession दे रहा है. Have, has, having, had. Rose. It is a saying verb. It shows how living things express themselves. ये सारे cries of animals हो जाते हैं, okay? तो saying verbs में आते हैं. All the colors. Exercise 1. State what kind underlying verbs are in the following sentence. Like A, actions, B, being, C, thinking, H, having, S, saying. To state what kind of verbs they are in the practice given. तो ये जो हमने sentence 1 में देखा B section में doing verb, being verb, thinking verb, यही यहाँ पर हमें लिखना है, okay? Aisha shouted, you will hurt yourself, take care Anjali. So shouted is S means saying verb. वो बोल रही है, shout हो रहा है, आवाज आ रही है उसकी. Robin Hood was a very famous leader of the merry band of Sherwood Forest. Now was कौन सा verb था student? Being verb. I once had a pet rabbit. Had, being verb. Aruna danced beautifully in the concert yesterday. Dance क्या है? Doing verb. I think we have lost the match. Think क्या हुआ? Thinking verb. Why does everyone tease me? Cried the little boy. Now cried क्या हुआ? Saying verb. Because sound आ रहा है. I am only joking. Being verb. Rashid has a new watch. Being. Balloon soared high over the field. I believe that thief escaped to the window. Shouted, saying verb, was, being verb, had, having verb, dance, actioning verb, think, thinking verb, cried, saying verb. Am, being verb, has, having verb, role, action verb, believe, thinking verb. Kinds of verbs. Read the sentence. The man killed a snake. The boy opened a window. Alice made a doll. In this sentence, the verb alone printed do not make complete sense. Sometimes something must have added to each of the sentences. See, the man killed a snake. What did the man kill? A snake. What did the boy open? The window. What did Alice make? A doll. तो सिर्फ वर्ब से काम नहीं चलता है, वर्ब के बाद हमें उसका इंफॉर्मेशन भी देना पड़ता है टू मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंस. द वर्ड स्नेक, विंडो एंड डोर आर कॉल्ड द ऑब्जेक्ट. सी, ऑब्जेक्ट वर्ब के बाद आ रहा है. ओके, किल्ड, ओपन एंड मेड. द वर्ब इज रिक्वायर्ड एन ऑब्जेक्ट आफ्टर इट टू कंप्लीट इट्स सेंस इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. तो ये कौन सा वर्ब हुआ? ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. रीड दिस सेंटेंस. द मैन डाइड. This girl smiled. The sun shines. See, यहाँ पर वर्ब के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं दिया हुआ है स्टूडेंट. इसको ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं है टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस, बट इट ऑल्सो मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंस. ऑब्जेक्ट के बिना भी ये कंप्लीट सेंस है. इन दिस सेंटेंस द वर्ब बाय देमसेल्फ मेक गुड सेंस एंड डू नॉट रिक्वायर ऑब्जेक्ट आफ्टर देम टू मेक कंप्लीट सेंस. A verb which does not require an object to complete its sense but make good sense by itself is called a transitive verb. There are some verbs which can be used both transitively and intransitively. Transitive. The boy flies kites. Birds fly in the air. He ran the hotel. He ran fast. Mr. Modi opens the shop at 8. School opens at 9 o'clock. He wrote novels. He writes legible. The driver stopped the train. We stopped there a little. The ox drew the cart. He drew near me. The mouse stole food. She stole out of the room carefully. Actually, to underline the transitive and intransitive verb in the following sentence, name the object of each transitive verb. He flies his kite. He received a prize. I met a little cottage girl. The ship sank. He spoke loudly. The man killed the snake. John broke the slate. The sun set sick. The baby laughed. The girls were singing. She ran away quietly. Snake stung her. Transitive. T means transitive. Okay. INT means intransitive. T, kite, prize, girl. Intransitive में स्टूडेंट ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता है, तो ओनली intransitive. Her. Double object. Some transitive verbs take two objects after them. One is which is a thing and the other is person. She gave him a rupee. I asked her name. He taught us English. This sentence would be written. She gave a rupee to him. I asked of her name. He taught English to us. We usually call rupee name English direct object and him, her, us indirect object. The direct object is usually the name of the something. Indirect is name of a person. See, direct object होगा तो वो name of the thing है और indirect होगा तो वो name of a person है. Indirect object usually comes before the direct object. Objects are always noun and pronoun. फिर ये ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब जो है जिसको ऑब्जेक्ट नीडेड है टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस एंड टू मेक द सेंटेंस द कंप्लीट सेंस. अब यहाँ पर क्या हो गया कि दो ऑब्जेक्ट की भी जरूरत पड़ सकती है. Exercise 3. Underline the direct and indirect object in the following sentence. One is done for you. Roshan gave his best friend a video game. Indirect object, direct object. Anuradha gave her sister a gold set on her wedding. I have saved a set for you. I have saved a seat for you in the theatre. Danish told us a very funny story. I will send you a picture postcard from Tokyo. We give something to someone and we buy something or we do something for someone. Direct object, indirect object. Gold set, sister. See, you. Story, us. Picture postcard, you. Fill in the blanks with true or false. Please give this letter to Afzal immediately. Could you make some sandwich for us? Please get a glass of water to me or for me. Hari has sent a message to his father. Don't show this letter anyone. Hari bought a new watch, gave it to his sister. 2 for 2, 2, 2. Exercise 5. Point out the direct object and indirect object in the sentences given in exercise 4. एक्सरसाइज 4 को देखिए हमें डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट भी देखना है. डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट लेटर ऑब्जर्व, सैंडविचेस यू, ग्लास ऑफ वाटर मी, मैसेज फादर, लेटर्स एनीवन. Verbs that do not make complete sense but require some word or words after them for this purpose are called verbs of incomplete prediction. The word or phrase so added is called the complement. A complement is that which completes a predicate. Say whether the following verbs are transitive, intransitive or verb of incomplete prediction. Sheila becomes sad, the she falls, he is guilty. He spoke the truth. The sky grew dark. The wind blows gently. Robert stole my book. Fire was slightly. The train stopped suddenly. Mirza told a lie. Sun is hot. Why was Ishan crying? Exercise 6. IP is incomplete predicate. Chapter 7. Phrase 7. Choose verbs from the box which have the meaning given below. Export, shout, steal, discover, import, whisper, rob, invent. Speak or cry out in a loud voice. Shout. Speak or say something using the breath. Take somebody else's property secretly without right, unlawfully. Take away something which belongs to someone else. Send goods to another country. Create or design something not existing before. Bring in goods from the foreign country. Find out something exciting, existing but not yet known. Shout, whisper, steal, rob, export, invent, import, discover. From the words in brackets, choose the one which fits best. The skater dashed across the ice. Aeroplane, billet, parrot, eagle, rabbit, mice, elephant, hawk, frog. स्टूडेंट ये साउंड है, यहाँ पर एनिमल्स का हो तो एनिमल्स का प्राइज ऑफ एनिमल है एंड जो थिंग का हो तो वो साउंड है उनका। एक्सरसाइज 8। CW one time in textbook, HW 2 times in your notebook. Thank you.